If cleaning your grill is your least favorite part of barbecue season, I can totally relate, and you need to see this. This is the LizoVita dual roller electric brush that I was gifted for my review, and unlike a regular grill brush, this one is motorized with dual rotating stainless steel rollers. It comes with everything you need, including gloves, a scraper, and USB-C charging cable. Before you get started, you will want to make sure that it's fully charged, and it has indicator lights that indicate when it is fully charged. It will no longer blink. I think the dual roller design is great because they can clean between the grates too, which is where a lot of grease also hides. I also like that it has 2 speed settings depending on how tough the buildup is. You short press for the lower speed and long press for the faster speed. Clearly we have some major buildup, so we'll be using the fast speed on this mess. And what impressed me the most was the torque. This thing has serious power and does most of the scrubbing for you, so you're not fighting stubborn residue by hand. It also has this protective shield to prevent any of the gunk from shooting back at you while you're cleaning, which I like. You can also use the edge of the shield for a little bit of scraping along with the scraper tool that was provided. Look at the difference already. This is one side clean and the other side untouched. And when you're all done using the brush, you can just simply remove the rollers and rinse them under water, or you can put them in the top level of the dishwasher. I didn't realize how much easier grill cleanup could be using this. If you grill often like we do, this saves time and effort, and I recommend checking it out.